In this video, we'll walk through using the Driver app and demonstrate a few common workflows, including how drivers complete daily tasks. To get us started, we'll assume that you've already downloaded the most recent version of the CXT Driver app from the Android or iOS app stores. Once you have the app on your phone, you'll need three pieces of information to log in: your company ID, driver ID, and password. If you are unsure how to get this information, please contact your company administrator. When you first log into the app, you'll be defaulted to the stops list, which is a list of all work that is currently assigned to the logged-in driver, including both on-demand and routed shipments. We'll dive into stops in more detail shortly, but first let's look at the option menu in the bottom right corner. There are a lot of available options in this menu, but we'd like to highlight a few that are commonly used. Scrolling down to the bottom of the options menu, you'll see Map View. Clicking this changes your stops view from a list to an interactive map. Use common dragging and zooming gestures to navigate the map, and tap a pin for stop information. You'll notice the pins will indicate a number where multiple stops are located in close proximity, and the pin color indicates a pickup versus delivery location. To change your view back to the stops list, use the green three-dot action menu again, scroll down, and select List View. We'll use the list view for the remainder of this video. If you would like to filter the list, use the option menu and tap the Filter drop-down at the top of the screen. Select one of the provided filters to change your stops list view accordingly. We'll keep our view on None to display a full list of assigned work. Tapping Close in the bottom left-hand corner closes our options menu, and we are directed back to the stops list. Before drilling into stops and looking at pickup and delivery workflows, let's look at one more menu. The three-bar action menu in the top left corner, also known as the hamburger menu, provides a quick access list of available actions to drivers. For example, the top item is the stops list, and you can use this action menu to jump back to the stops list anytime. Tapping Help takes you to resources that help with using this driver app. And the Sync button at the bottom will force a data sync with the system and also displays when the last sync was attempted. Where we'll focus now is unconfirmed stops. This is the bridge that will lead us to completing pickups and deliveries for our assigned orders. The number here is showing us how many unconfirmed orders we currently have assigned. Tapping the unconfirmed stops item from this action menu brings us to the unconfirmed stops screen, where we can use the Confirm All button in the bottom right corner, or select each order to confirm it individually. Now that the order is confirmed, we're back on our stops list. You can immediately see the order is no longer displayed with orange text, which is what represents an unconfirmed order, and we can now take action on the order, that next action being to complete the pickup.